So, if y'all been here for a while, you probably remember this thing I made. It actually never drilled holes through it, so that's what we're going to do today. And no, that's not it. I got some steel yesterday. This stuff right here. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing to hold. And my God, it's cold out, and this is really cold. But this is either 1050 steel, or it can go all the way up to 1070 or something like that. So this is going to be another project after today, if I even get that knife done today. Yeah, and then we might cut. See if we can stick this in a forge enough. And I want to make a thingy. Hang on, I'm trying to like example it, because I have where'd it go? It's gonna kind of be like this thing. It's going to, I don't know what happened to it. Oh, right here. This big slab. I want it to fit down in there, and it's gonna curl. Not curl, it's gonna be more rounded on the top. So when I bring a piece of metal on to it, I can hit it and have a nice, like, you know, thing. I don't know what you would call it, but yeah. So let's get the forge started up, and yeah.
This is a Chuki Beat production.
This is done. Got the hole drilled. You know, something you should invest in is where'd it go? This stuff, white lithium grease. Ever since I put some on this anvil, it has not rusted since. And my anvil used to always rust over. So I'm gonna start coating everything in this stuff, because heat resistant, repels water, prevents wear. So I'm gonna start soaking that stuff in everything. I don't know how old this stuff is. Stuff's ridiculously old. Well, not older than me, probably. I'm 16, but maybe it is. I don't know. Does anybody know? I don't know. But ever since I know I already said this, but like, no rust. And my anvil used to always rust over, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get the forge going, actually, not drill something, and we're going to throw that flat stock in there and start doing stuff and some more stuff and some more stuff. Yeah. the knife, I don't know why, but I can't make a knife with flat stock. I've never done it before. That was my first time making a knife out of flat stock. So it's not there. But I'm gonna make the little hooky hook things for hooks. I'm gonna make a few of them. I'm done in here today. I just can't wake up. Maybe if I have a cup of coffee and I'll wake up more. But later on, I should be over at my friend's house welding, because he's got welders. So I'll probably bring y'all around. Well, not probably, I will. Because I want to make a, you know, like you know, you got the flat thing. You got one of these here, and you got another one there. You can twist stuff between them. That's what I'm gonna make over there. So yeah, see y'all whenever there. It's probably gonna be a few hours for me, but for y'all, it's gonna be like right.